Om Namah Shivaya. For any new yoga teacher, what is very, very important? Now, as soon as you finish yoga teacher training, what you do normally, anybody, they announce yoga classes. And then they say, nobody is joining. So they give up. So the important thing is workshops. Any workshop, if you see any successful yoga teacher or any successful yoga coach, or you see any successful nutritionist, any coach, they conduct workshops regularly, maybe 1 hour or 2 hours period. Now, when you conduct workshop, what happens? You are showing your talent to the society. You are showing your talent to the people around you. You go to a sweet shop, what do they do? You go to any ice cream shop, they show the taste. They will say, sir, ye taste dekho, sir, ye dekho, ye dekho. So they want to sell it. So without seeing the taste of an ice cream, have you ever bought any ice cream? So you have to show the taste of the subject, what you know, to the society, a sample. When they are impressed, then they will become your students. Workshop is like a trap. I'm using bad word, but I'm saying trap. To catch a big fish, this fisherman, they use a small fish. Similarly, your workshop is a tool for you to attract more students. 99.99% yoga teachers, successful yoga teachers, they conduct workshops. If the yoga teacher is successful, why they have to conduct workshop? Because some people will discontinue. Even if Lord Shiva is conducting yoga classes, some people will discontinue. They have their own reasons. So your number has to grow. It should not come down. Hence, your regular yoga classes, workshops, mandatory. How you will promote your workshop? The important point. How will you promote your workshop? What are the tools? The most important thing is the flyer. This is very, very important. If you want to promote the yogic wisdom through small workshops, for each workshop, you have to create flyer. And the powerful tool is Canva. We are using Canva, and thanks to Canva, because it is so simple, so powerful, they have made many coaches' life easier. So many millions of photos, millions of templates, everything is readily available. For example, I want to tell you something. Every month, we have decided to conduct a very, very powerful workshop. And this workshop is for 21 days. For anybody to build a habit, it is said that you have to practice 21 days. Once you do 21 days daily, you will be addicted to do that. We have named our workshop 21 Day Reset, which we are starting on 6th January. Now, let me show you what is the flyer I have created. It took 5 minutes for me to create that flyer. A small flyer. See, this is the flyer. What? Look at this flyer. See, the program, the workshop name is 21 Day Reset. And our tagline is your journey to health and wellness. And relevant picture, I kept it aside. You can see that beautiful, happy girl. So she's, why I have selected that picture, two reasons. One is she's absolutely fit girl. And second thing, she is so happy. There is so big smile on her face. So this is a flyer. This is our workshop flyer. Now, when you are conducting any workshop, the workshop name has to be very, very attractive. Most of the yoga teachers, what they do, yoga classes. Yoga classes is not the heading. You conduct yoga class. The heading is not yoga class. Yoga for back pain relief. Yoga for PCOS. So when they see the flyer, they have to feel to attend the workshop. For example, this 21 Day Reset. If anybody attends this workshop, 21 days, they will be addicted to yoga. They will become super healthy in 21 days. Not only that, they may lose 4 kilos weight in this program. They may get freedom from depression. They may get freedom from most of the mental illnesses. We have designed this. We have spent all the coaches together. We spent a lot of time and we have designed this workshop. It's a 21 days duration. Every month we are going to conduct this workshop. If you ask me why we are conducting this workshop, we are showing the taste. We are showing the taste to the public. Not only that, we want to make them to digest the yoga subject. We want to make them to addict to yoga subject. So that's why we are doing 21 days workshop. Yeah, as a yoga teacher, you can also conduct this workshop. Who is going to stop you? You can very well conduct this workshop, but to conduct this 21 days workshop, at least you need 1 year experience, because it is conducted by 9 powerful coaches, maybe more than 9. I am also one teacher in this 21-day reset program. See, I'm telling all of you, listen, there are many great gurus in India. They have different programs, and some of the programs are so expensive, very expensive, and we have kept it only 2,000 rupees this workshop. Just 2,000 rupees. If anybody attends this workshop, they will say, wow, my God, yoga is so powerful. Not only yoga wisdom, we are also going to share the life wisdom. My wish is all the teachers who are passing from Bodhi School of Yoga, they have to conduct this workshop in future. So this is a long duration workshop. If you have a, super enthusiasm, I say attend this workshop 21 days. And normal people, hundreds of people are going to join to this workshop and see the impact of this 21 days on those students. You have to witness how the students are getting benefit. I'm challenging whoever is watching this particular video, you recommend anybody, and they will, if they attend this 21-day reset program, they will come and touch your feet. They will say thank you to. They will come and hug you. There is so much suffering in the society, mental suffering. So our 21-day reset, we are saying reset to the mind, not to the body. Body is innocent, but we are going to teach so much for body also and for mind also. So remember, keep conducting workshops with the help of flyers. The flyer has to be attractive, the good font. So listen, you don't design. I did not design that flyer, what I have shown you right now. The template is available. I have taken the template, I kept replaced the text, and I kept one girl photo in that. That's it. So create a nice flyer for your workshops and invite people nicely. 2025 is coming. You will do wonders if you can conduct efficient workshop. Now, how can you conduct workshop efficiently? What is the way? When you attend workshops of different coaches. See, from Bodhi School of Yoga, 80 trainers, coaches are working with me. All of them are my students. They are working like a family. The senior most coaches, they conduct workshops on different subjects. Every month, 15 workshops. So when you attend workshop, when you watch again and again with an intention to conduct a workshop, see, don't attend the workshop to gain knowledge. If you are a yoga teacher, I'm saying, if you are a coach, attend the workshop, grab the knowledge, how to conduct workshop. Or Archana ji will conduct mudra therapy. No, don't watch her, don't watch the knowledge. YouTube, there are thousands of videos. But watch the workshop, attend the workshop, write notes, how Archana ji is conducting the workshop, how she is starting the session, how she is greeting the people who are attending, how she is closing the session, how she is introducing mudra. Learn how to conduct. So this is possible to become an expert if you attend at least 6 months. I'm saying 6 months, constantly you work. Keep attending workshops. For example, attend meditation workshop 4 times, you can conduct meditation work because you have gained knowledge to conduct workshop. So keep attending, keep conducting. So listen, even if you are a great communicator, you have good communication skills, you are so flexible. I have seen many, they are so flexible, they have a yoga subject, but they are utter failure because they don't conduct workshops. They don't attend workshops. So you don't go into that category. Keep attending workshops, keep conducting, and use the Canva to create nice flyers. I'm telling you, success is yours. Om Namah Shivaya.